Hey guys, this is Prashant Gajbi and you're watching It is Tech Studio. And yes guys, today I'm giving you a quick overview of Logitech MK240 Nano wireless keyboard and mouse combo. Let's do it quick unboxing and review. It's a MK240 Nano wireless keyboard and mouse combo. It's a compact keyboard and mouse setup. So without any further delay, let's just quickly do it unboxing of this device. But first, at the back of the box, as seen here, most of the features are mentioned. So just open the box, we see the actual keyboard, then we get a mouse, nano receiver and two pairs of AAA batteries. The keyboard make a bold statement on your desk with a space-saving colorful keyboard and comfortable mouse combo. So now look at the build quality. It's a totally built with a hard quality plastic and mouse is also. The keyboard keys and oral typing experience using this keyboard is very comfortable. Logitech Advanced 2.4 GHz wireless connection ensures that fast data transmission and no delay or dropout in a wireless interruption between a keyboard and receiver. And in this device we get a 12 function keys in keyboard and 1000 DPIs in the mouse, and also we get a spill resistance design. Keep your investment is safe, maximum 60 ml liquid is spillage. Now we play some games using this MK240 keyboard plus mouse combo. So guys, this was a complete overview of MK240 Nano wireless keyboard and mouse combo. In the case if you want a compact keyboard and mouse setup and also want a quality product, you can definitely go for this product. It's an amazing product. Link in description, go and buy. So guys, that was it for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. I will see you in the next interesting topic. Till then, bye.